Okay, so now we're ready to sew our seam finishes onto our third square. So your instructions say to sew your seam finishes down at 1/4 of an inch. On the sewing machine, 1/4 of an inch is usually, at least on our machines, it's the edge of the presser foot. So you just need to line up your folded edge with the edge of the presser foot. So it's really easy to keep track of. And then you are just going to do a regular straight stitch. So stitch number 2. Same 2.5, 2.5, 4 on top, and you're just going to sew down each side. So you're just sewing 4 straight lines, back stitching both ends. Okay. So I'm going to sew, back stitch. Okay. When I get to a pin, I'm going to stop and pull it out. That way you're not trying to do too many things at once. Okay. And if you feel more confident, you can push down a little bit faster on the foot pedal, but otherwise, go as slow as you need. Okay. And then when you get close to the end, you back stitch, just a few, pull it out, trim it, leave a tail. Okay, so that's one side done. And I like to flip it and do it this way because I don't want to try and deal with pushing everything to the left side. So I always just line this up with the right side of the presser foot. So same thing, start sewing, back stitch. When you get to pin, stop, pull it out. Okay. And then, a little bit more. When you get to the end, and then back stitch, pull it out, trim it, leave a tail. Fabulous. So that is, it's hard to see. I'll show you at the end. One side down. Now let's do the other side. All right. So again, back stitch. Okay, almost done with this side. I'll get those. You can always trim the threads of your project as you go. Some people like to wait till the very end to trim your threads. Whatever floats your boat. I usually wait till the end because that's me. Some people have to trim it right away, whatever you need to do. Okay, last side, back stitch. Take the pins out. Okay. Ooh, not slightly off there. That's fine. If you ever are really frustrated or you make a mistake, remember we always have the seam rippers to fix any of those mistakes. Okay, so completed look maybe is right here. Oh, that's gonna be great for editing. So that's what it should look like. Okay, you can see the lines. The seam finishes are free. You could touch them if you want. It's kind of a fun little pattern, but that is your seam finish square sample completed.